Hey there, English learners. Today I'm going to clear up a common confusion. When should you use recommend with the infinitive and when should you use it with the gerund? Let's break it down together. First off, recommend usually works with the gerund. That's the 8-inch form of a verb. For example, I can say, I recommend studying every day. Here, studying is the gerund. We use this structure when we're talking about activities in a general sense. Another example, my teacher recommends watching English movies. Again, watching is the gerund. But what about the infinitive? That's the to plus verb form, like to study or to watch. Here's the trick. After recommend, you almost never use the infinitive directly unless you add a person or pronoun in the middle. For instance, I recommend you to see a doctor might sound okay, but it's not actually standard English. Native speakers usually say, I recommend that you see a doctor, or I recommend seeing a doctor. So remember, use the gerund, the ing form. After recommend, when you're talking about an activity in general, if you want to mention a person, the correct structure is recommend that someone do something. For example, I recommend that you try this restaurant. Or she recommends that he start earlier. You can also skip that in spoken English, I recommend you try this restaurant. But still, don't use the infinitive directly. Let's try a few exercises to check your understanding. Number 1, which is correct? I recommend to eat more vegetables, or I recommend eating more vegetables. That's right. The second one is correct. Number 2, how would you say it? He recommended me to join the club, or he recommended that I join the club. The correct answer is he recommended that I join the club. Alright, how did you do? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and check out more videos to boost your English. See you next time.